In this week's Fusion 360 training, you learn how you can create a threaded hole in your Fusion 360 project in a few simple steps. You can create internal threads with different workflows. You find both the thread tool and the hole tool under the Create drop-down menu. I'm not going there, though. Hit keyboard shortcut H to create a hole, or hit keyboard shortcut S to fire up design shortcuts and then search for hole. Select your face. It's easy for me to centralize my hole since my body is centralized above the origin point. Select Extend to and orbit around your design workspace so you can press the bottom of your body. You can work with several different thread types, sizes, designations, class, and direction. There is one option here that's important, and that is the modeled checkbox. You need to check it if you want physical threads and not just visual representations. I've got a small favor to ask you before you sign off. Hit subscribe and let me know in the comments below if this video helped you. Thank you and happy 3D modeling.